150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Create the home of your dreams and enjoy the biggest savings during the Living Spaces Labor Day event. The latest styles are waiting, and free next-day shipping brings them to you fast. It's time to refresh your living room, elevate your dining room, make over your bedroom, and bring personality everywhere. Plus, get special financing for 60 months on any purchase with your good credit. Celebrate the start of a new season only at the Living Spaces Labor Day event.
Living Spaces.
For more information on contests on this station, go to 1013.com/rules.
iHeartRadio Fiesta Latina is brought to you by the Juvederm Collection. Visit Juvederm.com for product information.
Star 1013, now more of American Top 40 right here.
American Top 40.
Built by the Home Depot.
At the Home Depot, you can find appliances for your kitchen and laundry, all with state-of-the-art technologies. Come in for Labor Day savings on top-rated appliances at their everyday low prices. Do Labor Day your way. The Home Depot. How doers get more done.
Our special guest host is taking you all the way to the #1 song.